Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first edition of Code with Over, and this edition it is the crypto edition where we'll be asking crypto traders how they survived airdrop disappointment. Um, my guest will soon be on this video right here. I'll be connecting him right now. So, I'll be asking him some questions about how airdrop failed him, how he survived it, and so on. Um, and I hope you will learn something from this video. So he'll be sharing his experience and everything. So is here. Good morning. Um, Good morning, sir. So um, welcome and thank you for coming.
Yeah,
Yeah, I really appreciate. Um, my guest for today is a crypto guru called the Boss. Yeah, so you'll be sharing his experience about how airdrop actually failed, how airdrop disappointed him, the airdrop that made him his money, that gave him enough money, the airdrop that he didn't believe that he failed him, and we'll be sharing his experience about Hamster because Hamster actually failed him. So, are you ready for me, sir?
yeah.
Yeah, my first question here is that is there any airdrop project that disappointed you, and what's the name? If you can still recall it.
But let me see. Yeah, there's actually one that disappointed me a lot. The name was Bless Network.
Wow, Bless Network.
Is
So,
yeah,
okay,
it's a between project. Like you'll be using a laptop to mine it, and I've been doing it for months, only for me to end up being ineligible for the airdrop.
wow, that's so painful. Actually, during Amstar also, Amstar disappointed me. I'm not eligible for the airdrop, so I stopped mining airdrop. So thank you for that answer. My second question here is that how and what was your expectation from that project?
It's the Bless Network.
Yeah, what are your expectations from the project?
Well, the project was actually very promising from what like their white paper and stuff, like what they were offering,
Yeah.
because it was about like AI. Like instead of using data centers for like training AI mode, that instead of using so much compute power, that instead it should you can do is like they can spread the work power and through devices using like it's being decentralized.
Oh, wow. So thank you for that. That's Thank you for that. So this one is the major question I want to ask. Did you plan of buying anything with the fund from that project? Like maybe you want to buy maybe you want to buy an iPhone or something with the fund. Do you plan of buying anything?
But yeah, I was actually thinking of buying a laptop.
That's how promising the project is.
Yes, the thing is that it is actually very, very um unexpected things can happen. You can't predict what can happen. Some projects can be the returns from them can be very unrealistic. Like now, for example, this I've heard of Kaito or the InfoFi project.
Yeah, I didn't heard of it too. I stopped mining maybe about 1 year ago.
Oh, that Kaito now, because the way in the crypto world, the way like trends move and the like niche of the times moves very quickly. I
Yeah.
remember like about 1 year ago now, what was raining was like tap to earn, like tapping all these hamster converts and
Yes,
Notcoin and stuff.
yes, the government.
But after that, it was actually all these test nets that were now what were was raining, like all these like test and all these new networks that are coming out. We users will test the network, and after their TG will get rewarded with our tokens. Then after that, we got to the pin projects where you technically just mine to earn. And now is now create to earn, where you create content on crypto projects and they pay you after a certain amount of time.
Okay, so the current paying updates now is that you create content on crypto projects and they pay you after launching.
Yeah,
Okay,
but
okay, okay,
this one it is a very very competitive time because it is mainly on X that people
yeah.
that it is that's the platform is for, and people who already have high influence, like those who have a lot of followers, they are the ones who like reap the most benefits because someone who's just starting out now, it's extremely difficult for them.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you very much. So I want to
Yeah.
ask, in this crypto space, what was your biggest loss what was your biggest loss and how did you take care of it? How do you manage to take care of it? And how did you move on with life after this loss?
But I would say I've like lost a lot because I don't really trade per
Okay,
se. I just prefer to observe the charts
okay.
because most of the airdrops that I've even seen, they have not really been very profitable.
Oh,
So I can say that if anybody wants to go into the gen trading, that they should actually do their research first because I remember on the I traded a meme coin on a BNB chain. I did not know that the coin was actually on port token. I
oh,
mean, all these type of tokens, they are the developers that make them. They used to put some malicious code like that one now. So if when I bought it, I couldn't sell it.
wow. So that's disappointing actually because you're actually waiting for a
Yeah.
massive turnover.
Yeah, because that time usually there was a trend of a coin was trending, and when a coin, let's say all these crypto projects now, let's say one of them decides to launch on a centralized exchange like Bybit, Binance, and it got a massive pump.
Yeah.
After some time, people will start making meme coins on them too, so
Yes, yes.
that people will buy them, expecting that it also pumps. And
So,
when I saw that one was already around like 3,000%, like in like
oh,
the profit, so I decided to buy it.
to enter the market if it will be profitable.
Yeah,
So after it happened, how do you deal with the maybe how do you deal with the loss or you just thought of it and move on straight up, nothing more?
but yeah, because it's better to learn from your mistakes than allow it to define you.
Mm, that's true.
So I know that after that day, I start doing research on any token I want to buy instead of buying on impulse.
Yeah. Research.
Yeah,
So thank
you
you. Thank
check
you.
the check the token on the Explorer if it has malicious code in it.
Okay, thank you, sir, for that. The next one is um Ad- what's your advice to newbies that wants to go into the crypto space?
Oh, I would suggest that. So,
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, what's your advice, sir, for newbies?
okay, I would suggest that the first learn like what cryptocurrency is exactly, how it works, and how they can make money from it exactly. Because in crypto, there are a lot of ways to make money. There are, for example, now you can, like what I've mentioned, all those tap to earn, those errors. But there are also other ways that now you can earn from, you can earn, like now Discord communities. Some Discord communities, they can earn from them by participating in their activities very actively. Like now, there's one I'm actually in currently. That one is actually a meme coin community, but it is very promising. I
Yeah, very
think they
promising.
have actually started the normal like allocations for the community every week just for to make people stay. Because I remember just this Thursday they gave me $5
Okay, okay.
just for being active on the community and holding that token.
Wow. Oh, that's actually nice. That means they are when they launch, they will actually pay the users, right?
No, they've actually already launched. They've
Oh,
already
they
launched the token.
oh,
Yeah, they just want more users. So we the community will be like normally post them on X so that
to
they
get
can
more
gain
engagement.
more. Yeah.
Okay.
So for the newbies now, what I can still suggest is that they get themselves, let's say, comfortable with all these exchanges, both the centralized ones and the decentralized ones.
Thank you very much for that. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
So the summary of it is just that before going into crypto space, just learn just learn everything about it. Don't rush,
Yeah.
don't rush yourself. Just learn and don't be thinking of don't think of crypto is fast making um wealth, like fast wealth, maybe within the range of 1 to 3 months, right?
Yeah. It's not like as if people actually like make like a lot of money under short periods of time, but sometimes it's actually mainly it's always like luck and those who already have the knowledge already.
Yeah,
So it's best to always get knowledge first.
before going in. So
Yeah.
thank you for that. Thank you very much. So thank you for coming
Yeah.
on into my video. Thank you very much. That will be all for now.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it. Thank you for coming on, and I hope many people would actually learn from what you've said, especially newbies, how they can deal with their loss and what they should do if they want to go into the crypto space. So thank you for coming.
Okay.
I really appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome.